Hello, children. How are you today? I'm happy to see you. I'm glad you're here. Yes, we are together again. Yes, to the glory of the Most High. Thank you for joining us online today. Today we are going to look at a topic in maths. We are going to look at a topic in maths. And our topic is multiplication of three-digit numbers by one digit. Multiplication of three-digit numbers by one digit. What is our learning objective? Our learning objective will include to multiply three digits without regrouping, to multiply three digits with regrouping. Now let's go straight to the point. Now you must be able to realize that when we are doing a regrouping, in this case, we are doing without regrouping, meaning no carrying. There's no need to carry any number forward, no carrying. So this example says 234 times 2. 234 times 2. We say you must always start your calculation from the unit angle. The unit angle is the best place to start your multiplication number, your multiplication or addition, okay, of numbers, multiplication of numbers. Therefore, we say 2 times 4, 2 times 3, and 2 times 2. Remember also that by now you should have familiarized yourselves with the multiplication table up to number 12. Familiarize yourself with the multiplication table up to number 12. Therefore, we say 2 times 2 is 8. Write 8 in your answer slot. 2 times 3 is 6. Write 6 in the answer slot. And 2 times 2, that is, going forward, we say 2 times 2 is 4. Your answer, 468. Did you get that? Okay. Now let's move on to see other examples. Other examples by way of 222 times 2. What must you do? You must multiply 2 times 2 from the far right hand corner, which is the unit section. We start 2 times 2, 2 times 2 again, and 2 again times 2. That will give you 444. 444. If you care to go down a bit, 231 times 2. What do we have? 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 3, 6, and 2 times 2 will give you 4. You will have 462 as your given answer. Let's show the working. When you're given a sum to multiply, three digits to multiply, note the arrangement. The arrangement of this sum is very important to learning. Therefore, we say 323 times 3, well arranged. 323, yes, 300 and, excuse me, 200 and excuse me, 223, yes, 323 times 3, okay, will give us 3 times 3, 3 times 2, and 3 times 3. Without regrouping means do not carry, do not rename, do not carry. At the end of it, we will have 969. What do we do? Count. 3 in 3 groups will give you 9. That is 3 times 3. 2 times 3, 2 in 3 groups will give you how many? 6. And 3 times 3 will give you what? 9. 3 in 3 groups. Therefore, our answer is 969. 969. Do not forget to write in words 969. Your answers should also be written in words. Are we clear? Do you understand? Very good. Now let's move on to with regrouping. With regrouping means you must carry, you must rename, you must carry, or you must rename. Therefore, we have 5 times 5, 25. Write 5, carry 2. 5 times 2 is 10, plus the carry 2 is 12. Write down 2, okay? But move on. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus the carried one is 16. You write 16 in full because there is none other digit or number to carry forward to. The end of the number is number 3. Therefore, you write it in full. 16. Final answer. So our answer for this one will be 1,625. Are we clear? Are we clear? Let's check out the working. Remember, the working is very essential. When you do the working, if you have your multiplication table in your mind, you are familiar with your multiplication table, then we will not have to do all this circle and counting in this manner. It's essential that you familiarize yourself with your times table. Now, for the benefit of understanding, in-depth understanding, we are counting. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 3, 3 times 2. We have 234 times 3. 3 times 4, 3 times 3, and 3 times 2. We have 702. How did we get that? 4 times 3. Count 4. Count 4 in 3 places. 4 in 3 places. Yes. When you do that, it will be very, very essential for you to get the answers correctly. 4 in 3 places. Are we together? Yes, please. Will give us 12. Then we say 3 times 4 will give us 3 in 3 places. 2 times 3 will mean 2 in 3 places. So 4 times 3 is 12. Write 2. Carry 1. 3 times 3 is 9. Plus the carried 1 will give us 10. Write 0. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus the carried 1 from that 10 will give us 7. Therefore, our answer is 702. Are we clear? Further examples now. When we say 412 times 8, 412 times 8, we move there and we say 8 times 2 is 16. Write 6, carry 1. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 1 that is carried becomes 9. 8 times 4 will then give us 32. Are we together? Do you understand? Are we together? Beautiful. If we move on to 549 times 1, we will say 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 5 is 5. Therefore, our answer will be 549. Are we together? Are we together? Then, another example, let's pick another example. Are we together? Are we together? Let's use this example. 683. 683 times 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Write 5. Carry 1. 8 times 5 is 40. Plus the carried 1 will give you 41. So you write 1. 5 times 6 is 30. Oh, plus the 4 that was carried will give you 34. And you have to write 34 in full because there is no carrying left to be done. Is that clear? Beautiful. Remember, always write your work, your figures or your answers also in words. Are we together? Now, let's summarize what I have said so far. 3-digit numbers without regrouping means no carrying. Without regrouping, you don't carry. You write out your answer straight on the answer slot. Is that okay? Beautiful. Then we said, when you are doing that, you should also observe to know how it is arranged. Getting to your answer, write in, count a number, count that number in specified amount of times. A specified amount of time. 3 times 3 demands that you count 3 in 3 groups. Okay? 2 times 3 will demand that you count 3 in 2 groups or 2 in 3 groups. Are we together? Very good. Then we said, with regrouping means to carry, to rename. When you carry, you rename. When you rename, you regroup. Okay? These are words that you must understand from this point forward. Is that clear? So when we say 325 times 5, you say 5 times 5 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. You write 5. Okay? You carry 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 2 is 12. So you write 12. You write 2 and then you carry 1. Remember, 12 is the answer. Write 2 and carry 1. 5 times 3 is 15. Because it is 15, you add the carried 1 from the other sum to this particular one to make it 16. And when you get to the point of 16, you write the full 16 down. Why? Because there is none other number to add it up to or add it with. Is that clear? Do you understand? Remember, your calculations must always start from the far right hand side, which is the unit side. Your calculation must always begin from the far right hand side, which is the unit part. Are we together? And also remember that when you arrive at your answer, make sure you write it in words. Write it also in words. 1,625. 1,625. Very good. Are we good? Are we good? Very good. Now, the working is as simple as the first one we've done. 4 times 2 is 12. Write 2. Carry 1. 3 times 3 is 9. Plus carried 1 is 10. So, write 0 and carry 1. Cross 1 over. Yes, 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 1 that you have carried will give us 7. So, when you are asked to show working, make sure you know what to do. Thank you. And at this point now, we say a big thank you to you. Thank you. Thank you for being online. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for learning what we have been going through. Thank you for your power of understanding. Thank you for being the best child ever. You know, you are the best child ever. Yes. Yes, you know it and I know it. Thank you very much. Stay safe. It's important that you stay safe. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Stay healthy. Stay focused. Stay focused. Okay? It's important. It is important. Yes. Stay focused, stay healthy, and stay safe. Remember, you are very, very important. And we love you so much. Yes, we do. Yes, we do.